This time on Easier End Garage, we're going to finish up the last of the wiring. Got the coil wired up. Got the battery terminals ready to go. We're going to lumen the wires later on once we make sure everything is working. We've got all our grounds, our chassis ground back there. And we have our solenoid wired up and our starter wired up. And we've got the points wired up going over to the coil. We'll check the gap on those later. Carburetor's on. A friend of ours made up a custom throttle cable. We got our on-off switch. Our starter button is connected and it does activate the solenoid. So this time we're gonna put a couple oil lines on, some fuel lines, get the battery in, and we're gonna test fire this thing up for the first time.
Turn the headlight off, or is it on?
Can't. No, it's on all the time.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.